Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Beta Family and maybe you're wondering, can you really become a tester and start making money for every single test that you do here? Or is this a big waste of time? Is this a sham? Okay, let's check it all out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's find out if Beta Family is the good or the ugly. Maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, okay? Now, Beta Family is basically a testing product website, all right? So you can come on here and you can basically test some of the apps. So if you land on betafamily.com, this website right here is actually designed for clients. So for example, if you created an app, if you're a company, a business, an entrepreneur, and you created an app, you can basically come to Beta Family and pay them to get beta testers like you, for example, to test their app to find out, how it works. Is it a good experience? Are there any bugs? And you can ask the beta testers any sorts of questions, okay? Now, if you want to become a beta tester and start testing apps, now what you can do is you can come over to Browse Tests at the top right here, right? And you can sign up, okay? And the nice thing about Beta Family is that it is currently available in a lot of countries, all right? Pretty much global. And once you sign up, they'll ask you a few questions. Make sure you take the time to fill it out. You have to let them know whether you are an Android user, an iOS user, and all the other devices that you use. So whether it's a PC, a Mac, do you have a tablet, do you have an iPad, things like that, right? And then you have to let them know what are the different areas that you like. So a little bit about yourself, okay? Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is log in on a regular basis to see whenever they have a test that you can take. Now, there are two types of tests. There are tests that you just do for fun, where you don't actually get paid any money, which is a bit weird, all right? I don't know who would ever really do that, but they have that. And they also have tests where they pay you for actually taking the time to test out the app, all right? So for example, this one might be a travel trivia test, and this is actually a little bit of a survey, right? So not all of them are actually testing apps. There are some questionnaires, there are some surveys as well. They will pay quite low, okay? $5 every time this one's available. You can see here, this is a challenging and fun quiz game of less known facts and notorious quirks, right? That kind of thing. And then you would basically go and test it out. Now, the big question is how much do they pay and how much money can you actually make, all right? Now, as a testing website, they pay a little bit on the lower side, right? So on this channel, I have reviewed a lot of different product testing websites, and stick around, till the end of the video. I'm gonna show you some of the top ones as well. But they pay on the lower end. These guys pay between $5 and $20 for a test, all right? So it just depends how simple the test is or whether it's a pretty extensive test where you have to record your screen, you have to play with the app, you have to interview, and actually talk to the camera. Sometimes it's just a little survey like this, for example, right? So $5 to $20, okay? Now, the other question is how do they pay out, right? And how much money can you really make? So these guys pay out through PayPal, and their threshold, the minimum threshold for you to withdraw is $50. So that's quite a lot of money, right? A lot of testing apps, you can withdraw after, only $5 or $10. These guys require you to add up to at least $50. So that means it could take you quite a while, okay? And the reason why I say that is because it really depends on which country you're from, all right? So if you're based in a country where they've got a lot of product tests and you can actually take them, right, then it's easy, okay? Because then you can become a tester, you can take lots of tests, that kind of thing. But sometimes they really have not that many tests. Sometimes it's one test a month, sometimes it's once a week, sometimes it's once every 2 weeks, sometimes it's once every couple of months, right? So if you're only getting one test every month and you're only being paid $5 for that test, it's going to take you a long time to withdraw because it's going to take you a while to reach $50, okay? So it could take you a month, it could take you 6 months, it could take you a year to reach $50. It just depends on your luck, it depends on where you live in the world, and it depends on what's going on with Beta Family at that particular time. Because if Beta Family is onboarding a lot of clients and they need to do a lot of tests in your specific area, it matches your demographic and it matches the products and different devices that you use, then you might get a lot of tests or you might get more tests. Otherwise, it can be quite little, okay? So here's what I recommend about Beta Family. I think testing products is cool, right? The only problem is the volume. You just don't get that much volume. If you could sit there and do like 5 tests a day, then you could potentially make a lot of money. But unfortunately, product testing and app testing doesn't work like that. Most of the time it's one a week. Otherwise, it's like one every couple of weeks, once a month, that kind of thing. It's very little. So if you want to make a little bit more money from product testing, you need to join a few different product testing websites. Okay, so another one right here which is really good is usertesting.com. These guys will pay up to $150 per test. All right, but again, most of the sweet spot is between $20 and $100. Anything more than that is a lot more rare, but you should sign up with user testing. Another really good one is test.io. All right, so I recommend that you sign up for as many product testing companies as possible. That way you have a higher chance of earning more money with product testing. Now, it's still not going to replace your income though, all right? Because if you think about it, even if you're taking, let's say, 1 or 2 product tests a week, and you're making an average of, let's just say, $20, right, per product test, that's still, what is that? That's 40 a week, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's $160 a month. So again, it's not going to replace your full-time income, but it's some nice extra little bit of bonus money on the side. Okay, a little bit of a side hustle, good to start somewhere, right? It's free, you don't need any particular skill set. So if you want to check out betafamily.com, you can check it out here. I also recommend signing up for user testing and test.io as well. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe this is the first time you've landed on my channel. I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. I've seen all sorts of different products, apps, websites, business models, programs, courses, things like that. I've seen the good, bad, and the ugly. Some of them are really good. Some of them are really bad. But out of all the good ones I've tested and invested my own money into, there's one strategy that I use to completely change my life. I use it to quit my full-time job. I make multiple 5 figures a month because of this strategy. I think it's great for beginners to start making money from home, and you can make some pretty powerful income as well. I've got a free masterclass that shows you how to do it step by step. If you would like to check it out, you can click on the link right below this video. All right. I wish you all the best. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed this review of Beta Family, and I will see you on another product review soon. Take care.